going to fill the bowl with a bunch of flour. And we have the cup full of water. So we're just going to wait for him to get home from basketball, throw the water on him, and then dump the flour on him. Oh, look who got it bad.
Brad. We're fighting.
No, we're not. Rule number 1, can't get mad.
Oh, it's in my ear. Look at that. It's out of my ear.
Look how much is on you.
That is stupid.
Uh-oh.
This is the aftermath. Our porch carpet is usually blue. It is now white. I don't think she used enough flour. It's all back there on my fancy porch swing. I will get her back, and there will be more to come.